Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, July 20th, 2022. Of course, just a reminder, we have our live chat tonight at 8 p.m. And of course, we'll probably talk about the heat and humidity that's in place, the chance for thunderstorms, and also answering your questions, see if there's anything going on in the tropics. Now, right now, it is muggy out there. Temperatures already range from the mid to upper 70s over the interior, upper 70s to lower 80s in your urban areas and along the coast. Your dew points are in the 70s. It is sticky, muggy, and uncomfortable out. We didn't get much in the way of fog this morning, but we did have some low clouds, but overall visibility is around 10 miles, and winds are from the west-southwest around 5 miles per hour. Not much is going on, but we are keeping an eye on this trough here. Okay, as our temperatures spike into the 90s, possibly pushing into the mid-90s, we are also going to be keeping an eye on this little weak trough, and also what we call a sea breeze front right along the Jersey Shore and around Long Island that could spark off an isolated shower or thunderstorm or two. The reason why this is important is that these thunderstorms are going to move very slowly and they're going to have a ton of moisture to feed on. So while not everyone or almost no one will see any type of thunderstorms, if you do get one of these thunderstorms, a spark around, let's say, northwestern New Jersey or to the north and west of Philadelphia, that could lead to some very heavy rainfall. So just be aware of that potential. Not very high potential, but it's potential nonetheless. And what we're going to be looking for on the visible satellite picture is for little puffy cumulus clouds showing up around noon, right in this area. If we start to see that, then we're going to have to keep a real strong eye on the thunderstorm potential. If we don't, then it's just going to be a hazy, hot, and humid day. But these type of scenarios can be very hit and miss. So I figure I'd give you a heads up that if we start to see cumulus growing here, then we'll start to see the potential for thunderstorms. On the infrared satellite picture, you'll probably notice this big swirl up here. This will continue to march through the Great Lakes and head towards the St. Lawrence River Valley over the next couple of hours. And that's going to force our cold fronts. And this is going to be a theme for the next several days. These cold fronts are going to be approaching, but they're going to be losing strength because all of the energy, all of the focus is all going to be over the St. Lawrence River Valley and New England. And that's going to be a theme all the way until we get to maybe Tuesday. So this heat and humidity, it's here to stay for a bit. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, hazy, hot, and humid. Again, watch out for an isolated thunderstorm. High temperatures will range from the upper 80s to lower 90s on the immediate coast, lower to mid 90s everywhere else, with the heat index approaching 100 degrees. We do have a heat advisory in effect, and that's going to remain the case throughout this rest of the week and into the weekend. For tonight into tomorrow morning, watch out for some areas of fog. Other than that, sky cloud cover with low temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 70s over the interior, mid to upper 70s in your urban areas. For tomorrow afternoon, look for sky cloud cover, possibly a few isolated to widely scattered showers and thunderstorms. And again, these thunderstorms will be slow moving and have the potential of reaching severe levels via strong wind gusts, frequent lightning, and hail. So definitely keep an eye out for that. Temperatures tomorrow will rise into the mid to upper 80s on the immediate coast, lower to mid 90s over the interior, and mid 90s in the Delaware River Valley. On Friday, sky cloud cover, still hazy, hot, and humid. Can't rule out an isolated thunderstorm. Look for low temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 60s over the interior and lower to mid 70s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the upper 80s to lower 90s along the coast, upper 80s to lower 90s over the interior, and mid 90s in the Delaware River Valley. On Saturday, very hot day with sky cloud cover to clear skies. I still can't rule out an isolated thunderstorm, but the threat's going to be very low. Look for low temperatures to range from the mid to upper 60s over the interior, upper 60s to lower 70s in your suburbs, and lower to mid 70s in your urban areas. High temperatures will range from the upper 80s to lower 90s on the immediate coast, lower to mid 90s over the interior, and mid to upper 90s in the Delaware River Valley. On Sunday, Same scenario, sky cloud cover is expected, hazy, hot, and humid. Could be a little bit of fog in the early morning hours. Look for low temperatures to range from the lower to mid 70s. High temperatures will range from the upper 80s to lower 90s on the immediate coast, mid to upper 90s everywhere else. A few locations, especially around Newark, Camden, Philadelphia, may touch 100 degrees. On Monday, a cold front will approach with increasing cloud cover and scattered showers and thunderstorms towards the late evening hours. Look for low temperatures to range from the lower to mid 70s over the interior, upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the upper 80s to lower 90s on the immediate coast, lower to mid 90s over the interior, and mid 90s in the Delaware River Valley. On Tuesday, that cold front will slowly sink through the region with scattered showers and thunderstorms. Look for low temperatures to range from the upper 60s to lower 70s over the interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 80s over the interior and mid to upper 80s along the coast. On Wednesday, look for scattered cloud cover with the threat for a few scattered showers and thunderstorms as that frontal boundary stalls over southern New Jersey back towards the Delmarva Peninsula. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 60s over the interior, upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 80s on the immediate coast and mid to upper 80s away from the coast. That is your forecast discussion for today. I'll see you at 8 o'clock tonight. And as always, stay safe out there.